We're gonna walk the path at Triton Beach. Get this bug spray out of my mouth.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah, but do you want a massaging gun?
A what?
A massaging gun.
A massaging gun?
Yeah.
Yeah, heck yeah, let's take one. Where do you get one of those?
Actually, it's not, and actually it doesn't shoot.
Oh.
He doesn't know what it actually does. It's not the gun, it just feels like a gun, except it feels good because it massages. I just think it just massages.
It just massages?
No, I don't see what I
All right. Remember we said we're going to do this first path today, right? All right. This is the yellow one.
Hey, Daddy, there's Baba. You can walk right in.
Yep.
Wait, you not beat it.
You're mumbling. What's the matter?
Wait, that's a little bit too high, but you almost got it.
All right, so the goal is a fox, right? All right.
Wait, what's that?
Or a skunk. A skunk will be neat.
Wait, a go. What did this say? A go. We're not going to see a fox. Go to that kind of fox. Yeah, it needs to be nighttime for a fox.
So here's what we can do. We can come out one evening when the sun starts to come down. We can come, and maybe we can come back this evening. Not dark, but like when sun starts to go down, we can come out.
And then see what?
Because the animals are most active in the very morning, in the evening, right before the sun goes down, right? And we don't want to be here out at nighttime, right?
Then we need a flashlight.
Well, we'll need a flashlight, but we don't want to get lost, right?
Yeah. It's still on. Oh, yellow, but that means we can find where we're going.
Yeah.
Daddy said we took the yellow path. No, we never took the yellow. Oh, a sign. Actually, when I took the orange path, I feel like that blue one is a way to another track.
It's a way to another track?
I feel like it.
Okay. I liked,
No, it's straight ahead.
all right, I liked going around the lake. Did you guys like going around the lake?
Yeah, and we found a bench. We already did that, so you already know it's going to be open.
Okay. So did we take this one before?
What does this say?
It says fishing. I think fishing is that way.
Okay.
So we're doing the yellow one, right?
Yeah, it's not yellow's this way.
All right. Well,
Let's hope it leads back.
that's all right.
It's not what a fishing line.
Remember, they all go back to the same place, right?
Daddy, you know,
All right. So let's follow the yellow.
Daddy, last time you said we're going to get fishing line fish.
Maybe we can go fishing this evening. Look at that tree leaning. I think that tree fell and it's laying against another tree.
Actually, it is. Oh, look there.
So that tree could fall at any time, right? Because it's just leaning on another one.
Oh, that's a big tree. Actually, well, the roots didn't fall out. That's good. It's hung up by these trees. These trees must be really strong.
But it lifted up. You want to see? It lifted up and it's being held on that tree right there. Go look.
Yeah, and also they broke that tree.
Yep, go look behind it. It fell over, didn't it?
That's a good spot.
Spider web.
That's a good spot for a mole.
Oh, yeah. The mole could go right in there, right?
Yeah. That's Daddy.
Yes, sir.
That's a good spot for a mole. too. I hope there'll be no fun deal. Oh, there's no sign. Oh, up ahead. Daddy, look up ahead. Another sign.
Yep.
I'm gonna get the frog. I'm hoping it's not gonna be an hour until we get out. Because that's a little too much for me. Kids cannot have that much. Yellow is that way. Yellow is that way. Oh, the pond's that way. We're taking yellow.
We're following yellow?
Yeah, yellow's this way.
All right, let's do it.
And so is red. So is red.
Fishing? Yep, fishing is that way. See the color? See the color of the fishing and the color of the arrow?
Wait,
We're doing yellow. Do you want to go that way? Let's do yellow first. Let's do yellow first.
Yeah, and this sign.
The fishing is at the lake.
Is with it.
Yep, let's roll. Come on.
Then when we think of I don't 2 packs today.
2. All right, let's just walk. Let's just see. This one might not be long. Let's just look, okay?
It's not long. I'm okay with it.
All righty.
I want you to take a picture of me walking. Hey, I want to see. Wow. Hey, boy. School. Hey, where's the school? School.
Say hello. Oh, did you see him hop on that tree?
Yeah, there are actually 2 of them. 2 of them hop. I just found I think that's why they abandoned in the woods. It's just a wall to fell apart. I think that's
We're going slow. You're fine.
I feel like that. I feel like it fell apart. I think it fell apart. That's why. I know it fell apart. That's why we don't know what it is.
Look at this tree's low.
Good. Wait. Oh, I didn't touch it. You make me touch it. Yeah.
Okay, walk backwards. Both of y'all get it. Stay on the same side. Hold them. Stop. Okay. Both of y'all grab this. Yep. Now, Nikki, you come grab too. You got it? Walk that way. There you go. Let Daddy get out of the way. Keep walking. It'll break. Keep walking. Walk in. Walk that way. Yep. Pull.
I'm gonna help. Help! I don't want to fall.
It's fine. It won't fall.
Someone help me?
I don't think it's going to come off.
Actually, it might.
It might. Yep. I think you got to twist it. Twist it. Both y'all twist it. Keep twisting. Keep going the same way. Keep twisting. Move your handies. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Yep. Keep twisting. Oh!
Oh God.
Throw it into the woods so it's off the path.
That was cool. We just found a thingy. The dust fell on me. A thing in here that we found a pea.
All right. Yep.
Or I can just hold this when I hunt them off. I will find no money. Wait, when I don't want to have this on my head or hold it, I can put on Daddy's hat. Hey, there's a sign.
There's a sign. Remember this one? So we've seen this sign before, remember?
Yeah.
Everything comes back to here. This is the main intersection.
Now look, there's food and paddling. Oh my God, we can paddle. the west road. Okay. I think when we got here.
Okay.
We're gonna walk to that there isn't a porta potty, and the yellow trash had one. We could have just went. Oh, the pond! It looks like, actually, Daddy, if we want to go back, we have to turn the other way. It would go back out, but it would lead out a different way.
What?
I think it would lead into the blue trail or something. Well, we can see where this goes.
Let's see where this goes. I think it goes out to the water, and then we can go, let's go around the lake again.
Oh my God, that takes an hour.
But it,
Takes an hour to get back.
oh my goodness. The more we walk, the better it's for us. And then what happens with Daddy?
You get more muscle. And I got more muscle. Yeah, guess what?
What?
When I went to my friend's older house, she had a 10-pound weight, and that was heavy. And I was lifting it.
Oh, yeah?
Wait, what did you say? What were you lifting? A 10-pound weight, and it was really heavy. What? There's a metal steel over there.
I know, that's weird. You want to run over?
Check it out.
All right, go check it out.
And there's another thing over there. Which one was that for? Come on, check it out. This is an exact thing. Hey, hi. I think this is connected. Daddy, what would you think this would be a part of?
I don't know.
Maybe something.
A guardrail next to the road, maybe, but I don't know why it's out here.
Yeah, there's another thing. There's some more things over here.
Is there?
Hey, something. Hey, what would that piece of wood be used for? Maybe. Okay, that's definitely going to be used for a building. I think there used to be a building.
I think there used to be a building here, too.
And that used to be one of the supports. And this used to be and there was some, so it was kind of made out of stone. Stone house. Because there's stone right here. I'm trying to knock it over. That looks like a cylinder here. This probably was a building. And it had some metal protection. Daddy, can you knock it down? They probably chopped down a couple of trees to get. This is a pipe. I'll hold it. Oh, thanks. Hey, look.
Look at all the termites.
This is a metal pipe. Then come here. A lot of termites. Come here. Don't want that in your help. Just running, kill them.
Nope, don't even mess with them.
They don't really mess with us.
Don't even mess with them.
Why not? Escaping, run away. And not to let a metal pipe over here.
Yeah,
Yeah. Be careful, Daddy.
I'm being careful. Thank you.
It's rusty. What you be careful?
Ooh, be careful. If you touch it, because it'll cut you.
The downward part is
This has got little things that you can step on.
Wait, look. The downward part is missing. Just step on this. And I think it's like bounce me. I think this was supposed to another support that some nails on it. Look, you just bounced on it. This definitely was a house. This definitely had to be a house.
Yep, it's probably a
We
house.
have to cut out the rock. And this cool was.
Pull that out. It's not connected to anything.
Yeah, I pulled one out that's not connected to anything. And I threw it back in the wood. Whoa. And there's another thing over here.
What?
Okay, now this is a tiny metal pipe. Hey, look, I'm breaking it down. This is a tiny metal pipe. And at least the bottom isn't broken. Well, but it can still cut you.
Yep.
Still cut you from the end. I want to hold it. Can I hold it? Okay, here, what is it? Let's see what kind of damage it got. Oh, we have to take it down. There's some broken glass right there.
Ooh, be careful with the broken glass, because it'll cut you.
Definitely like a house if there was broken glass here. And there's a board feather. Do you think it was unstable? Do you think it was unstable and a board landed on it?
Maybe, and made the whole thing fall over. That's probably it.
That was fun. Good job, Molly. Whoa! You should definitely give.
Pull that
you
off to the
always
side.
press the daddy long leg.
Oh, I sure did. Yep.
Why don't you go and get a picture?
Oh, don't do that to your brother. Throw that in the woods.
Why don't you go and take a picture of all the broken stuff so we can send it to photograph proof of a demolished building?
I think they know about it.
How do you know?
Because the rangers that live here, I think, know all of this land really well.
Actually, I'm talking about Toyland.
Oh.
My company's grumbling.
Uh-oh. We'll do dinner when we get home?
Yes, it's definitely clean.
Okay.
Right from the I think we'll only have time for this one because my tummy. Hey, wait a minute. It's that bridge.
Is it? I think that's a different bridge.
Actually, it might be.
Because you're right about the blue. So we'll take the blue in a minute, but let's look over here.
No, I'm too grumbly tummy. We're going to take the yellow. Let's take the yellow. Oh, look, Jordy, that's cracked sand. I can make that tumble. But we can't go down there. Got it.
You got a fish, you got a fish. Did you see him eat it?
Oh, man.
Did you see him?
I hope you got a picture of it.
I did not. He ate it, he did it so quick, I did not.
Oh, he went back under. He went back under. I think he's pecking one because he's taking a while.
There he is. Nope, he didn't get one this time. But he definitely caught a fish.
I wish I could.
And he ate it, he just went whoop.
I wish I saw it. Hey, look. That's why they won't let us pass. It's that.
He's under.
Oh, it's that.
He's under. See where he pops up.
He was just like everywhere. Probably gonna go out for it. Probably gonna go out for something because he probably knows the fish are more out. I think he's going all the way down.
Oh, he popped up way over there.
Actually, I can see. Can we continue with the yellow?
So the yellow, oh, the yellow goes blue. So blue and yellow are together now. Let's do blue so we can do the bridge. You gotta go pee? Do you gotta go pee real quick?
I think we probably took blue.
Go pee real quick.
My dick's getting big.
Oh, okay.
I'm on a... Wait, how did we not notice this?
What? Go look.
Look! Hey! What is it? I think they made a tent over here. And they used the wood to hold up the built.
Maybe.
And look. Oh, there's some puddles. Probably yes. And I see some water in there. Actually, I see plastic in there. And there's some wood like this. Some plastic. Probably a tent. Definitely a tent. And Jake, they used this to hold it up. Yeah, and so it has a warning sign on it.
Yep.
Something new. Probably because it's not good support. The bridge.
Yep. Let's do the bridge.
Oh, dear, okay. Guys. Just promise we're gonna go back extra. No more pass.
I ain't promising nothing, man. This is fun, right? We're exploring. We're finding stuff. You be all right. Go ahead.
Right back. I guess you need to bring food.
Oh, you did say we need to bring a snack.
No.
Well, you're not going to starve, that's for sure.
We don't want to fall. Oh, my tummy gets crumbled again.
Oh boy. Well, Medusa's in the house. Oh my God.
That tummy grumbled big. That means we don't have enough time. We just fixed it fast. Let's let Noah in. Who cut down a big tree?
Oh my goodness.
I think we cut down the tree.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, hold on. I think we've seen this before. I think we've been on this crap before.
Maybe.
Yep, yeah. If we all just go in a big circle.
Okay, keep going.
Get up! Run away! you guys won't go into a pen. But the yellow path is really quick. If you go, we can just turn around and go back.
Yep.
And then take the yellow path. Jake, if you want to go back, you just...
My foot. My foot.
Stop. And there's a fencing again. No, it's the thing. Hey, and this way you can actually go down. No. We're not going to get back up. Oh, yeah, you're actually right. You cannot go down there. I thought we could go down, but we can't.
Oh, boy.
You're going to hit your roots and then hard. Then you're going to hit like stone. And then you can't get back up.
This is the beach we used to be able to walk up. There's not much room to walk anymore.
Oh, yeah, because all the trees tumbled. I know how all the trees tumbled. And you was like, be careful of the trees.
Yep.
I know how to get up. And they have to go down this. And then go in one floor. Daddy grab our hand. And then go get up.
Yeah.
But we want to relax and go back to the bridge. And we're going to relax. Let's get this back.
Go, Nikki, go, go.
Can you next time remember to bring the snack?
Yeah, man.
Then when we find that bench, we can sit down and have a little thing to eat.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Daddy, do you like when I was crying on the couch and then it made my face?
Yeah, man.
I knew this was that funny?
Mm-hmm. That is funny.
I was thinking.
Do you want chicken nuggets, or do you want tortellinis, or do you want some? I got some shrimps. I have daddy noodles.
I got an idea.
All right.
Next time we come here, we bring the put in a little juice and a lot of sauce.
A lot of sauce. Okay.
A lot of sauce is my thing now. I need a dry sauce. Other sauce. Oh no, two. That's blood. It's too spicy. That means I don't like spice. Imagine if you put all the packets in there. Hey, what's so good? All the noodles will have that tasty goodness. Because that's the thing. When you put all the packets in there, I don't really taste it.
A sign?
A blue one. What does it say?
It says the beach trail.
Whoa, the beach trail. This is the beach trail.
We were on the beach trail.
We're looking at this.
It says rapidly eroding shoreline. Please stay on the trail. Remember where the orange was? They didn't want us going over because it's eroding, and if we stepped over there, we could be in trouble of falling.
Yeah, why didn't they put safety orange there? Oh, it looks like the blue one. I found a then it went and
Well, this one takes us to the other beach. Let's go see this other beach.
I found a color over there. Okay, was this one? Was the white one leading back?
Yeah, they all lead us back. Remember, they all go back to that same sign that we looked at.
Yeah, let's take the yellow one.
Okay, well, the yellow's back the other way.
Yeah, you just have to go backwards if you want to go back towards the yellow.
And it's kind of dark. Look.
Let's go and see what's over here. It says it. Why don't they put...
So this path, so that goes back to the parking lot where we came from.
What about here?
That's fishing. If we go back up there, that takes us to the pond. And then I don't know where that takes us because I don't see any colors. You want to go that way?
What is this? No colors.
Pond trail.
Oh, that's fine. No colors.
Pond trail's that way.
Well, let's take this.
You want to take the pond? Let's go here, see where this goes. He gone. Let's go this way, Nikki.
We might see some colors. If we don't see any colors after a while,
We'll turn around.
Yeah, because then we're taking the wrong way.
Yeah.
But I'm sure there is. Oh,
I bet this goes back to this. Let's go this way because it'll go back.
Over there.
Yep, the lake is over there. Yep.
Because because you can see the lake from the wood.
Yep. The pond trail, yep. That goes around the lake.
This, I think I should, I thought I was on Axel, but I think I see the thing that carries cars of oil out there.
Yep. Yep, this is the bay, so that's where the tankers and all that, the cargo ships go. And remember, on Sundays, that's where the chipmunk boat goes.
Wait, on Sundays?
On Sundays, yep.
Did we see any puddles?
Nope, but we did this one the other day, so we know, it'll take us to colors.
Wait, are you sure?
A positive.
Where's the beaver house this time? I think they took down the beaver house. So it took the one path the other day?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Look, I think we took all the paths with the yellow.
Yeah, we didn't take yellow last time.
And it led us through the blue path and
Yep.
stuff.
Yep, yellow brought us around to the blue path, and then the red runs off of the blue. There's a beaver house. I think somebody built that.
Hey, there's another house over there.
Oh, look at that. You want to walk over and see that one?
Sure.
That's pretty
We'll
cool.
have to go off the trail.
Yep, but we'll walk back. That's pretty cool, though.
Okay, let's go and look at that other.
Okay.
And then we'll come back to the trail.
Yes, sir.
Look, a stick.
We're gonna go over and look at it.
That one looks like a bed of horse and a path.
That's like a teepee. That's really cool.
Oh, I think that's same thing.
Oh, did you see where the water came over?
Look, I can actually go inside it. And then we can take apart it. Look, we don't need no sticks.
We don't need no stinking sticks.
Okay, this one's better.
Yep, they've got them in there pretty good. No, don't pull them out. Don't take it apart. It's really cool. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go out and around. We'll go back out to it.
And it won't break us flat. What's that sign say?
Heritage Trail.
There it is. Uh-oh. I'm not going to get to see the house. Wait, this is a trail?
Yep.
But they made this? What's that? Forget big spaces. They made it tiny.
Yep, this one's tiny.
That's itchy.
There's a hole right there. Watch out for the hole.
Oh, yeah, the last lead is step over the hole. Wait, when you walk out of the leaves, there's a hole. Ow.
Did it get you?
You can poke my thorns and stuff. Ow.
Youch!
Why is this even playing?
Come on. Just step over it. Come on. Here's the house right here. You can walk down there. I'll wait for Nikki. You good? All right.
Hey, get out of the thing.
Don't go in the water. I know, I don't know. I think it's high tide. Yeah, I think it's high tide.
I think it is too. The water can get that high. The water can get that high.
That made a big old splash, Ola. That water's really choppy today. Don't get your socks wet. If you get your socks wet, that'll give you blisters also. Let's come back on another day when it's not so high. I think it's rough because there's a storm somewhere.
I think let's continue the bridge work. There is a storm over there.
Yeah, because it got so cold. There's a cold front that came in.
And a hot one.
Yep.
Well, it's just good. Let's stop the water flow coming in for us, shall we? Oh, yeah, we have to make it.
That's in there. Yep, that's in there. Yep. All right, let's keep walking. We'll come back. We'll come back another day. Yep, we got it started. We'll come another day, and there shouldn't be any water in there, and then we'll be able to go in there. The water's just high right now.
It looks like it does a moat around it.
Yes, a moat around the castle.
Well, I'm gonna finish the bridge. I'm gonna finish the bridge.
Okay, get a. There's a long one over there. It's fine. Put it on. It's fine. Here, I'll beat it. Here.
That's like trying to stop the water from coming in. Not really. Stop it. Oh, it's like widow stick. Whatever we need to do. Oh no. Help me.
Please don't get your socks all wet.
When I go this way, I'm not going up the other way. Maybe no, I'm taking it back. Throw it in the water. We're actually trying to get in now. We're actually trying to get in. And place the lock. Hey, I don't know where to place it. I know where to place it. I know. They'll probably blow away. Hey, it doesn't blow away. Be careful here. There's little crackers. I'm going to find the smallest stick that'll help. I'm going to find the smallest stick. Probably do. That's what he's thinking.
Hand it to Jake, and Jake will put it right. Put that on there. Put that. Yep, put it back, and then Nikki's got another one, and you can just. Okay. If you pile them up, it'll be all right. It's fine if you pile them up. Either way, let's get rolling, man. We'll come back. Yep.
I'm going to try tapping that way, and when it snows out, we can actually continue. Oh, that's it. It's right these slices, I mean, that's you have to start over all over. Hey, that's the one to load it. Wait on, shall we head back to normal way?
Let's see where this takes us.
We get lost, that would be bad.
Yeah. Oh.
Go backwards. Yeah. I think we might be leaning back like this.
What is the water that's not moving?
I forgot.
Stagnant water.
Yeah.
And stagnant water has stuff that grows on it, and then sometimes it stinks. Put your hat on, Nikki. Come on. Oh, okay. That's fine. All right. We'll eat when we get back home, man. I got you, man. I got you covered.
What's up?
Hiya!
I think he's going backwards, you know. That's it. I think he's not. Is this one?
There's where that hole is.
Oh.
That's where that hole is.
Oh. That's you did go there.
Yep.
He can't get through.
Go get his hand.
I'm coming back. I'm coming. Ah! Dang, going too slow.
There you go. Just shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Pop.
I didn't shimmy. That was the problem. Yes. I need to be careful. Ow. I need to stop getting poked.
Come around this way. Okay, come on, man. Come on. Okay.
Okay, he's coming that way.
Yep, it's fine.
5 minutes later. Hey, I did it.
5 minutes later.
I have to grab and go really slow and 15 minutes later.
There you go. Let's do it.
You carry the snail?
Is there? Did you find a snail?
No.
Oh.
Because you said 15 minutes later.
15 minutes later.
That's slow. I'm taking poke. Stick in my pants. I'm gonna make holes in it. We're gonna get dark up ahead. Can we just head back?
It's fine. At this point, this way's quicker.
Okay. Say so. Well, at least it's not the orange pack. If it's the orange pack, it would be super long. Probably take an hour. Nope. Look at this. Are those the legs? I mean, come on. Wait a minute. Does the pond go under? Or those just two separate ponds? It does go under. Nikki, don't just go with one on the other. It could just be a little fish up there. That's your river going around. That's what we're going on. Looks like it's just going in. No, it's not. What is the sign say?
That's the pond trail. Do you want to go around the pond or keep going around this way?
We're going around this way. No, what's this?
Well, you got to read it from the other side.
Oh, it's the trail that we want.
Parking.
Parking trail? That
Yep.
means we're going back.
Yeah, let's just go. We haven't gone this way. We went, so the other day we took that pond trail. Let's take this way, see where it takes us.
We actually took,
Nothing's longer than 2 miles, so it's not long at all, okay?
we actually took a couple of different paths. We took yellows and blues and red. Now we're still on red now. Okay, that looks like a tree house. That's not a tree house. Daddy, what's that, Dale?
What's that?
Oh, Dale, that's very old and it looks like a chicken coop, but
It does look like a chicken coop.
but it couldn't. Could be an elevator.
Could be an elevator. Yep. Somebody's socks.
And the tree house collapsed and they saw it holding up. Now we saw that's what they made it that elevator.
What?
Yeah, and then the elevator broke and it probably crashed down the tree house.
Is that somebody's socks? Are they snap-on socks? We can burn them up.
They're not snap-on socks.
Oh, okay. Then we can go.
Wait, what even are snap-on socks?
Yeah.
If they had an elevator and then the elevator again. That's another thing that looks like an elevator over there.
What? Okay, come on.
Like a couple of elevators over there.
Oh my goodness. Couple. Well, what's right here?
Look at the abandoned elevators.
There's abandoned elevators right there too.
Actually, the roof collapsed.
Oh my goodness. Yes, sir.
If they had an elevator and then it stopped and then it collapsed, everyone like what's happening? And then they jumped down to their families. And then they got hot. Yeah, broken down. That was crazy. I found another one when you were talking. I know. And I saw it too. I saw it actually a lot. I actually saw like 15. What? I saw like 15. Hey, another tree house.
Another tree house. That's pretty cool.
Hey, another. No, I said I saw 15. Hey, a tree house. Hey, a tree house. Hey, not tree house. Oh, that's the tree that fell down. Someone dropped it. Hey, a tree house.
Please follow the detour. It says don't go that way.
Mickey's not letting me on. I'm not going to be able to breathe.
Oh my goodness, you be all right. All right, it says go this way. Please follow detour. Parking lot is that way. Let's go this way. I don't know where it takes us. Everything eventually goes back, right?
I don't know when. If they made it fast, it should go back.
If what?
If they made it fast, it should go back.
Yep. Remember, the Rangers have that little four-wheel drive thing that they ride around here. So see, somebody's ridden through here. This is the Rangers. So this is fine.
Oh, I don't know. They know that was full here, though.
Yep, they've gone through here.
We don't know.
We know.
Actually, we can just follow the Ranger track. I don't know what you mean.
Whose? Oh, Jake, Nikki wants to hold your hand, man.
That long legs.
Oh, see him? See him, Nikki? Oh, come on. Okay, so let's see. It says, please follow the detour. It doesn't want us going that way.
So this way?
So let's go this way because There's a sign there for a reason. So let's go.
We're going back to the broken elevators. Oh, killer bugs. One of those killer wasp things got one of the food. Wait, they're like broken down bars here. There's no park here before. I have a feeling there's a park here. Daddy, I have a feeling there's a park here before.
Oh, yeah. What's the matter? You're going to feel like you're going to throw up? Okay. Well, let me know when. I'll try to get it on the GoPro.
No.
Oh. Okay. Let's roll.
You have to send it to Mom.
I will.
If you will, Mommy will be very annoyed at you.
At me?
She won't.
No, she won't.
A video of Ron and when not me. He did it to me, I think. Because it's Ross's wife and Daddy had the home. There's some broken glass out here. Okay, Nikki's gonna stay behind then. Nikki needs someone to carry him.
Okay.
Okay, so Nikki's gonna leave him behind.
You found a tire? Sweet.
Okay, so just gonna abandon him.
No, we're not just going to. Do you need to pee again? Go pee.
I think one of the park rangers drove through here. Oh, I have a stop time. They realized they had a tire out. I was just because I think they threw it here. Or something. Actually, I knew there was a tire. I don't see it. It's a tire. Bounce on it, Jake. There's a tire under here. It bounced on it. Oh, when you bounce on it. What?
There's a tire under there.
I know. It's cracking. Then when you jump on it, you get it out. Yeah, you actually need a shovel to get the west side of it out. So, next time we come here, let's come here and dig up it. And then I feel like crossing flying with my eye.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah, just close my eye.
Oh. Shazam.
Yeah, I felt goop in my eye.
Oh, my goodness.
Can you hold my eye? Hey, Jake, what's on Daddy's head? It's my name hat. I want you. I want you to be in the middle. I say this is not working great.
You found wood? You found wood out in the woods?
Actually, it's called wood.
What?
So, how much people make a tent? And they just
Oh, you think anybody went camping out here? Wasn't there a sign you're not allowed to camp out here? If you can, do you want to come camping out here one day?
No.
I don't think we're allowed to.
I'm not camping.
You're not camping? Why not? You wouldn't stay in a tent? Pull that. That's loose.
That's what I do. My first time camping.
Walk. Walk backwards.
Oh, no. Fall on my head, though.
It won't. Just walk backwards. Walk. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
It's still odd.
Just walk backwards. 1, 2, 3. Zoop. There you go.
Actually, that's still up there. Actually, it's still up there. Whack it. Pull it down to me. Pull it down. Hey! I'm gonna whack it.
It's almost like a sickle. Woo! Watch behind you. Holy cow! Watch when he swings. Holy moly!
Oh, it's gonna get it to it. Then it can knock down.
Look at the thorns on that joker.
Ow!
All right, Jake, go ahead and touch it too.
There's a safe spot.
Oh, there is a safe spot. Yep.
Actually, there's a you touch it. I'm not getting poked. I already got poked a lot. I didn't. I got poked like a million times already. I got poked. I'm not getting poked by a hard one. I don't have one. I got poked like one time. I made my one huge, so then I thought there would be a short one 100 times.